If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. To begin, make your slip knot, and we're going to make a chain of 9. We're going to double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. So count back to the 6th chain and make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet into the next stitch. And then make another double crochet into that last stitch. Next, we'll chain 4 and turn. Now we have these 2 big windows. That's what we're going to be working in from now, is only like the windows, not the actual little stitches here. So we're going to skip these 2 stitches and make a double crochet into this big window. Next, we'll chain 1 and we'll make another double crochet into this next window. So this is going to be our increase row. We will increase every other row. So you'll always be increasing on the same side. So to increase, you'll chain 1 and make another double crochet in this same window. And then 1 more double crochet, because we'll always end the row with 2 double crochets together. So we just created another window right here. We went from 2 to 3. Next, we'll chain 4 and turn. So this will not be an increase row. We'll just make our double crochet into this window, chain 1, double crochet into the next window, chain 1, double crochet into the next window. And because we're not increasing, we're just going to make 1 more double crochet to end the row, chain 4, and turn. Now this will be an increase row, so when we get to the end, we will increase. We'll make our double crochet into the first window, chain 1, double crochet into the next window, chain 1, double crochet into the next window. Now because we want to increase, we're going to chain 1 again and double crochet into the same window, which is what is going to add another window. And we always end the row with 2 double crochet, so you want to make sure you put that second double crochet here. All right, next we'll chain 4 and turn. So this is not an increase row. Now if it helps, you can put a stitch marker somewhere on the row that either you are increasing or you're not, just to give you a little reminder. But once you start working up, you're going to be able to see pretty clearly that which side is and is not an increase row. But again, using a stitch marker is smart, just so that you don't make any mistakes. Chain 1. So it's really simple. We're just double crocheting and chaining 1 in the big windows. Chain 1. Double crochet into the last window, and it's not an increase row again, so we just put that second double crochet to finish the row, chain 4 and turn. Now we are on an increase row, so we'll do our first double crochet in this last window. We'll chain 1 and put another double crochet, which will create that extra window to increase. Always put your last double crochet right in there. Chain 4 and turn. So this works up really fast. It's super easy and it comes out really beautiful. So you can see this is going to be the side that's going to stay straight, and this is the row or the side that's increasing. So it'll start to come out to a tip and then you'll start to decrease. Now you can make this as big as you want. I'm going to work up a few more rows and then I'll show you how to decrease, and just pause the video and I'll meet you when we get there. Alright, so I just worked up a couple more rows. I'm going to chain 4 and turn. And the way that we're going to start decreasing is the same as like when you increase. It's only going to be on every other row. So when you're ready to decrease, you have the size that you want and you want to start working back down the other direction, right? So you're only going to decrease on the same side that you were increasing. So the side that is staying flat, you're never decreasing on that side. You're increasing on the same side and then decreasing on the same side. So once you're ready to start decreasing, you will make your double crochet chain 1s up till you have 2 windows left. You're going to make a double crochet but only half done into that first window, so leave the last 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and start to make another double crochet in the last window. Yarn over, you pull through 2, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And again, you'll do that on every other row on the same side you were increasing on. And then the rest is the same. You're just going to chain 4, turn, double crochet into that first window. So again, you're skipping these 2. Don't mistake that for a window, right? You're skipping these 2 double crochets. You're working in this first window with your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So on the row that you're not decreasing, you're just working it the same way that you have been this whole time. You're just putting the 2 double crochets, chain 4, and turn. And again, you're skipping these 2 first double crochets. You're working in the window here with your double crochet, chain 1. So other than the decrease, you're working everything else exactly the same. Oops, I gotta take that out. So when you have 2 windows left, right, you want to make sure you leave 2 windows at the end on your decrease row so that you can double crochet them together in the same stitch, and that will decrease. Right, so you can see it's starting to come back down, right, in this direction. Here's the flat side. And you're just going to keep working down the same way until you have 1 window left. Alright, so I've worked it up till I have these 2 windows left. So when you're at the very end, you should have these 2 windows left on your decrease row, and you will simply just do only a decrease, the way you've been doing it at the end of the row with the last 2 stitches. And from here you would just fasten off, and that is it.